So these are the Scanstrut deck glands that I got in, and they're real small. This is the cover. This goes inside of here. The wire goes through and down, and what you basically do is you mount that to the top of the whatever you're going through. You put this little pad underneath it, seal. You screw that down, and then they have different sizes of glands that you can put on the wires. You just size that, and then they have enough blank so you can drill your own hole and have your own seal, grommet seal there. And you put that into the deck gland, and the wire's on there, and it just snaps over. And then there's a screw that goes in the back, an Allen wrench screw that goes in the back and tightens it down, and it's really simple, clean, and waterproof. I like them. Alright guys, so this is our solar panel. It's complete now. I've got 1400 watts of solar up here on the top deck. And as you can see, it's a nice clean install up here. We use the Scanstrut DS-H6 deck glands to go straight through the hull. And the reason I chose those is because they're small enough where I have limited space where I can run the deck gland all the way out to the edges. Like in these, it goes all the way out to the edge because that's where I had to run the wire through the bottom of the deck. So those worked out really well. I was also able to group a bunch of them together, whereas if I had a bigger deck gland that could only hold 1 or 2 or 3 cables, there wouldn't have been the room up in those places to run a different kind of deck gland. So the Scanstrut deck glands worked out really good for us. And as you can see, the solar panel is nice and clean. Those are lay down walk-on solar panels.